Welcome back to the series of top must do aptitude questions that are useful for your math, CAT, TANSET placements, etc. So, hi, this is Harasmita. Today we'll be seeing part 4 video of it. And if you haven't seen part 1, part 2, part 3, kindly check it. Hardly each video I'll be covering just 2 sums and 2 unique model sums which was asked in the exam itself. So, without fail, don't skip those videos, do everything and just come to the part 4 video, which will be really useful. In part 4 we'll be covering ages, again 2 sums. The second sum wait and see, and the first sum is age related sum. So let's quickly get into the video. The ages of Ajay and Vijay differ by 22. So let me keep, okay, I'll just read the question first. And if 6.5 years ago, Vijay was 3.5 times old as Ajay, what's his present age? So let me keep present age as, they differ by 2, right? Let me keep present age of Ajay as X. So present age of Ajay. I'm just writing Ajay as A and Vijay as V. Ajay as A and Vijay as V. So as X years, then Vijay's age. So present age of Vijay will be X plus 22.5 years. So this is his present age. So X is Ajay and X plus 22.5 is Vijay. 6.5 years ago. So before it, minus 6.5 years. Ago means what? The past tense, right? So 6.5 years ago, what's Ajay's age? X minus 6.5. What is Vijay's age? X plus 22.5 minus 6.5, which is nothing but, if I simplify, you'll be getting X plus 16. Okay. Now, what's the next thing? Before that, they're talking at this point of time, Vijay's age was 3.5 times Ajay's age, right? So Vijay's age is 3.5 times Ajay's age 6.5 years ago. 6.5 years ago. Okay. So Vijay's age is X plus 16. X plus 16 is equal to 3.5 into X minus 6.5. So when I solve it, it will become X plus 16 is equal to 3.5x minus 22.75. 22.75. So when I further solve it, I'm taking this to the other side. So X minus 3.5x is equal to minus 22.75 minus 16. So what I'm getting, so I'll be getting as minus 2.5x, and when you solve it, it will be minus 38.75. So this minus gets cancelled. So this will be, X will be 38.75 by 2.5. So X is nothing but 38. So his X is nothing but 38. What X is nothing but Ajay's age, right? So X is your Ajay's age. And what is your Vijay's age? X plus 22.5. So this is your Ajay's age, 38, right? So 38, only one option you're having. We need not check for the Vijay's age. So the option is B. Sorry, C. So Vijay's age will definitely be 5.5. So we need not add it. We can just solve it as such. Okay. Now, one more trick I'll be telling. In many cases, they will change it. See, for example, they gave you 22.5, right? Those two ages differ by 22.5. Check all the options if the ages are differing by 22.5. If there are certain options which are not there differing by 22.5, just neglect those options. Then check for remaining options. Okay. So this is how you're supposed to do it very quickly in examinations. So now let us go for the next one. So next one, probability of getting a rotten apple from a lot of 480 apples is this. So probability of getting a rotten apple. Rotten apple is 0.125 and total apples is total apple is nothing but 480. So this formula you can use. Probability of getting an event is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So basically we need number of rotten apples. Okay, that is your number of favorable outcome. Total outcome is total apples, and probability of getting a rotten apple we already know. And good apples we have to find. So if you subtract the rotten apples from total apples, you'll be getting good apples. So number of rotten apples, how much will you get? So basically you have to multiply these two for getting favorable outcomes, right? So you will be multiplying 0.125 into 48. So when I multiply 0.128 into 45, I will be getting your answer as 48, sorry, 480, not 45, 480. I'll be getting answer as 60. Okay. Now, so the rotten apple I got. What is your good apples? Good apple will be nothing but 480 minus 60, which is 420. That will be your good apples. Okay. So I hope these questions are clear. And if you need any such videos, do comment below and I'll solve it for you guys. Okay. So thank you and have a nice day.